Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to generate random password in Excel. Let me open my file. So first, let's see what is the syntax. So the syntax is char and ran between, which is used to generate the random password. And here for this ran between function, we have to give the parameter value. If we want to generate a random password with uppercase, we have to give the values from 65 to 90. For lowercase, we have to give the values from 97 to 122. Similarly, for number, we have to give either from 0 to 9, for example, 10 to 99, or even 100 to 999, or something like that. And for symbol, the value is 33 to 47. Okay, so in a very simple step, I'm going to generate one password. The function is char, range between, and for uppercase, for example, if we want to generate, we have to give the value from 65 to 90. We have to close ran between, and we have to close char. It presses uppercase value. And another thing I want to mention in here is each time we press F9, it gives you the new value. So that's cool. Okay, so let's see how it can be used in the production environment. Okay, so this is my file. So I'm going to show you how to generate the password in this scenario. I'm going to put char. I'm going to get ran between. Enter uppercase. We have to put 65 to 90. Close ran between. Close char. It will generate one character of the password, which is not good in the real environment. And to append it, I have to put ampersand. Okay, let's just copy and paste. For small letters, we have to put 97 to 122, and I want to make it more stronger. Control ampersand and Control V. And for number, we don't put char. I have to remove this one as well, and I have to remove extra parenthesis. Okay, so for numbers, I wanna get from 10 to 99. It will give two more characters. And for special characters, it is 33 to 47. So in my password, I have included uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and then special characters. Let's press enter. Okay, let's press enter. So it is giving the password of 5 characters. If you want to generate more, we just have to append this one this way. Let's append the uppercase, which will be 55 to 90. So it will be 6 characters now. Okay, and for other rows, we have to just put the cursor here. We have to drag it and then drop it. As I mentioned before, if you press F9, each time it will give the new password. It will refresh and it will give the new unique password, and it can be very useful in the production environment. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.